better as more people die, hopefully.
Yeah, only one team is down.
The streamer loadout. It is actually the PK Wingman Poggers, TTV Bald Wraith, drop Skull Town Poggers. Increase the FOV, quick. We need to make this game look like we're going super speed. Quick, increase the mouse sensitivity. Oh my god, he's so fucking good at this game. He's fucking snap looting. Oh my fucking god, look at him all. Holy shit. Quick bounce. Woo! 360 slide, 360 air strafe, closing the door. Another bounce. Okay. Shit, what was my sensitivity at? Oh, wait, I think I have my DPI switch. All right, we're good. All right, wait. Go back. I think I was at like 98. All right, wait. We're good. Wonder if I missed loot. Nah, definitely not.